Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As a Hollow Knight Silksong was released, and many users are encountering errors when they are trying to purchase the game. Specifically, when clicking on Add to Cart, the process is slow. Then when clicking on View My Cart, an error message appears. An error was encountered while processing your request. There was an error trying to load your shopping cart. Even when users manage to reach the cart page, they encounter another error. Something went wrong. Clicking continue to payment leads to the error that says something went wrong again. We were unable to service your request. Please try again later. So it seems many users are experiencing these issues, likely due to high volume of players purchasing the game simultaneously, which may have overloaded their servers. We probably need to wait until they fix the problem. So if you're also encountering these errors, please let us know in the comments below. And that's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.